When will it get ready?
The night air in the village smelled of roasted corn and wood smoke. Crickets sang and fireflies blinked like tiny stars.
Grandma,
Temi sat at her grandma's feet.
One with magic.
"Grandma, tell me a story," she begged. "One with magic." Grandma Bose chuckled, adjusting her head tie. "All right, Temi, listen closely. Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Amaya. Amaya was a sweet girl, but she had one big problem. She loved to play too much. Every day after school, she'd drop her bag and run. She played hopscotch, she played 10-10, and she even chased the chickens until they squawked in circles. "Amaya," her mother would call, tired from the market, "you never help at home." But Amaya just laughed and ran off again. So her mother decided to teach her a lesson she would never forget.
Amaya,
one morning, her mother handed her a heavy clay pot. "Amaya, today you have a special job. You must cook this pot of stones until they are soft and delicious. Keep adding water and do not stop until they are ready." Amaya blinked. "Cook stones?" "Yes," her mother said seriously. "Don't stop until it's done." As soon as her mother left, Amaya got to work. She built a big fire, crackle, snap, and poured in the water. She stirred with a giant wooden spoon. Clink, clink, clink. The stones rattled against the pot. An hour passed. Amaya peeked inside. The stones were still grey and hard. "Maybe they need more heat," she said. She added more wood. She added more water. The sun moved across the sky. Amaya's arms were tired from stirring. Clink, clink, clink. She tasted a tiny drop of the stone soup. Yuck! It tasted like dirt and hot water. But she didn't want to disappoint her mother, so she kept going. She missed her games of hopscotch. She missed chasing the chickens. She stayed by that hot fire all day long until the moon began to rise. When her mother returned from the market, she found Amaya crying over the pot. "Mummy, I've been cooking all day, but the stones won't get soft. I'm so tired." Her mother sat down and pulled Amaya into a hug. "My dear, why are you crying? Stones can never become soft. No matter how much water you add, a stone will always be a stone." Amaya wiped her eyes. "Then why did you make me cook them?" "I wanted you to learn that time is precious," her mother said gently. "You spent the whole day on something that was never going to work. Imagine if you had used this time to rest, to read your books, or to help me. You would have been much happier." Amaya looked at the pot of hard grey stones and finally understood. From that day on, she didn't waste her time. She still played, but she made sure her work was done first. She became the best helper in the village. Temi sighed happily, resting her head on Grandma Bose's lap. "I'll never waste time cooking stones, Grandma." Grandma chuckled, patting her hair. "Good girl. Remember, time is like a river. Once it flows past, it never comes back. Use it well." Under the old mango tree, the fireflies danced, and Temi drifted off to sleep, dreaming of adventures that were much better than stone soup. The Secret of the Stones Quiz. Question 1. What did Amaya love to do more than anything else at the beginning of the story? Answer. She loved to play, especially chasing the chickens and playing hopscotch. Question 2. Why was Amaya so tired when her mother came home from the market? Answer. Because she spent the whole day stirring a heavy pot of stones and adding water to a fire that wouldn't stop. Question 3. What was the big lesson Amaya's mother wanted her to learn? Answer. that time is precious. You shouldn't waste your time on things that aren't useful or helpful. Thank you for visiting our village today. And if you think using your time wisely is a great idea, give this video a big thumbs up. We'll see you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Biemba, the Firefly Queen, lights up the night. She brings magic to all the children.